Want to learn how to fix your Gmail login problem? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 5 of the ways to fix your login error on Gmail. But before that, let us check the server status of a Gmail. For that, we need to choose a suitable browser. I am going to use Chrome today. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here Down Detector and tap and go. You can see that Down Detector help you real-time overview of issues and outages with all kind of services related to every kind of sites. Tap on Down Detector, tap on the search bar on the top right corner, enter here Gmail and tap and go. Now scroll down. You can see that user reports indicate no current problems at Gmail. That means there is no any problem with Gmail regarding other Gmail users, but it is just you who is facing a login error on Gmail. After making sure of it, let's go back and learn 5 of the ways to fix it. The very first one is to go to your App Store or Play Store, tap on it. Now tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Gmail and then tap on this particular app. The very first reason of you facing the login error could be because your app may not have been updated yet. So to make sure if your app is updated, just check it like this. Or you can even watch what's new and see that when was your app last updated. So if you have an option of update, tap on it and make your app updated. This could help you fix a login error on Gmail. The second one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you can clear all of the cache of Gmail. For that, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar on the top, enter here Gmail, and at the bottom you can see 3 of the options. That is force stop, uninstall updates, and clear data. Tap on clear data on the bottom right, tap on clear cache, tap on OK on the bottom right. Just by doing it, you have successfully removed all of the unrequired filthy chunks related to Gmail, which have just helped you start it in a fresh way and make your app really fresh. So make sure to clear all of the cache so that you can fix your login error if this was the problem. Now, the fourth one is to go to Gmail and long press it until you get an option of App Info on the top. Tap on App Info. On the bottom, you can see 3 of the option. That is force stop, uninstall updates, and clear data. Tap on force stop on the bottom left. You can see that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But let me tell you one thing, that force stop feature in Android is a good method to stop a running Android application if it's not functioning well. Force stop breaks the running application code string so that it can be removed from the phone memory. Then it clears the app cache memory and let you start your app in a fresh way. So you can tap on OK on the bottom right to start your app in a fresh way. So this was the third one. The fourth one should be the initial one, but still I'm going to take it over and tell you that to have a very strong Wi-Fi connection. Your Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So make sure you have a very stronger one. And the fifth and the final one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone will definitely help you fix your login error if all of ongoing application are the reason of your Gmail not functioning well. So restarting your phone will help you start the app in a fresh way. So these are the 5 of the ways to fix your login error on Gmail. I hope it works for you. Go and try all 5 of them. For all the help related to Gmail, you can visit our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.